Hello children, today we will start with exercise 2 which we were doing. Today we will discuss question number 10, 11, 12, 13. So starting with question number 10 says that we have to find the value of m for which 9 to the power m divided by 3 to the power minus 2 equals to 9 to the power 4. We have to find the value of m. So to find out the value of m, we have to see the base should be equal on left hand side and right hand side. So here what we can do is 9 we can write as 3 square whole to the power m and divided by 3 to the power minus 2, and 9 again we can write as 3 square whole to the power 4. Now what we can write here, 3 to the power 2 whole to the power m, the powers will be multiplied, so 3 to the power 2m divided by 3 to the power minus 2, and here it will come 3 to the power 8. Now what we can do is 3 to the power 2m plus 2 equals to 3 to the power 8. Now here what we can see is base is same, so we can write the powers also will be equal. So 2m plus 2 will be equal to 8, and when we will solve it will come m is equal to 3. In your book answer is given I think 6, but answer will come 3. Now next question, minus 5 upon 7 to the power minus 4 into minus 5 upon 7 to the power 12 equals to minus 5 upon 7 to the power 3 whole to the power x into minus 5 upon 7 to the power minus 1. Again we have to take out the value of x. Here we can see that the base is same on left hand side also and on the right hand side also. So what we can do here, what we can see is on the left hand side base is same, so what we can do, we can add the powers. Right hand side also base is same, so we can add the powers, so it will come 3x minus 1. Now again what we can see, on both the side base is same. When base is same, again what we can say, the powers will be equal, so we can write 8 equals to 3x minus 1. So it will come 3x will be equal to 8 plus 1 and x will be equal to 3. Now question number 12. Again we have to take out the value of x. So what we have to do, firstly we have to do the base same. So minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon minus 2, and then minus 2 upon 3 is the base. So what we can do is, first we will do the base same. Here minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 13 into, when we will reciprocal it to do the base same, it will come minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 8. The power will be negative. And minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2x plus 1. Now what we can write is, again here base has come same both the side, so powers will be added, and here what we can write, minus 2 upon 3 equals to minus 2x plus 1. Now again here we can see base is same, so powers will be equal both sides, so we can write minus 21 equals to minus 2x plus 1. When we will solve it, it will come x is equal to 11. The answer will be x is equal to 11. Now next question number 13, second one, 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 5 into 27 cube upon 3 into 81 ka 4. Now 9 we can write in terms of 3, 27 also we can write in terms of 3, 81 also we can write in terms of 3. So when we will write 9 in terms of 3, so it will come 3 square whole to the power n into 3 to the power 5, and here 27 ka cube 3 to the power 3 into 3. And here what we can see, all the base is same, so what we can do is we can add all the powers upon 3 to the power, here nothing is there, so 3 to the power 1 plus 16 it will and equals to 3 ka cube. Now when numerator, when we will add, it will come 3 to the power 2n plus 14 upon 3 to the power 17 equals to 3 to the power 3. Here 2n plus 14, here again what we can see is base is same and divide sign is there, so powers will be subtracted and it will come 2n minus 3. So 3 to the power 2n minus 3 equals to 3 to the power 3. Now again we can see that base is same, so what we can do, powers will also be equal. Powers will also be equal means 2n minus 3 equals to 3. Equal to 3. So and value of n we will get 3. Now this was all questions of exercise 2. Now your exercise 2 is complete.